Hi friends, I am Nur. In this tutorial, I will show how can fix screen resolution problem in your Windows. For that, we go to the manage from this PC. Okay, after that, we go to the device manager. Then we found details in there. Then we go to the display adapter. Friends, you find in your graphics card in there, this under display adapter. My graphics card is Intel R HD graphics 4400. This is my graphics card. We right click and go to the update drivers, and now we search automatically for update drive softwares. We just click in there. Friends, if your internet is not available, then your system is not applicable for these steps. You must be connect your internet with your system, searching online for drivers. Friends, it's taken sometimes. After that, we can see result is coming. Is that the best drivers for your device are already installed for Intel R graphics? Now close. This is systems. Okay. Friends, you can also follow the another steps. For that, we go to the browsers. Okay, from browsers we write in there our graphics card name. Okay, we write in there. This is the Intel R HD graphics 4400. These are 4400, and press enter. We find the link. First link we are click. We click the first link. Download for Intel R graphics 4400. Friends, we get this windows. This is the automatically update your device, your drivers. You can also follow these steps, but previous steps is very easy for you. We just click get started, and now we press download, and okay, download, start download. After download, we install Intel Intel driver and support assistant installed. Installer. This is the installer. Agree and install. Friends, you if your graphics card is another, then just press yes. Another version, another company, no problem. You just search your graphics card name, then you get the link. You also can be download this assistance installer. For complete the install it's taken some time. So we can see install is complete. Now you open, and open the another sheet. And friends, we can see scanning your system is running. This automatically. We need to wait for watching the result. Okay friends, we can see there is messages show your Intel software is up to date. That means you show details your PC, and messages show we can see this message is up to date. Friends, if you do not subscribe to now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. Thanks for watching.